last night in Colombia, before we crossed the border, we decided to try the local delicacy, barbecued guinea pig, or locally known as cuy cuy.
It doesn't smell good. Glad we just got it.
If we don't like it, we can be like, hey, chicos, do you like?
I don't know about this anymore.
Yeah. Straight from the meat, or should we prepare?
Really careful with your fingers.
Yeah. Ooh, that's different, isn't it?
It's not.
Perdóname, chicos, ¿cómo se come cuy cuy? Just así, con las manos. Okay. ¿Y la piel? ¿Y la piel también?
Sí, claro.
¿Sí?
Okay. Gracias.
Okay. Confiamos en estos. Oh, it's not bad. It's alright.
Is it hot?
Yeah, it's hot. I can't get the...
Here,
Yeah. You can
Yeah.
yeah.
They said it's the best.
You look the normal people.
Gosh, really?
What do you think, Anna?
It's really tough. Skin.
The skin is tough.
It's really salty. Eat more.
What do you think?
Much more fishy.
Carly didn't
Yeah.
like it.
Like salty. After Colombia, we travelled south to Ecuador. Our first stop was Otavalo. Our first day in Otavalo, we explored the Peguche waterfalls and then ended up in a local pub where they were having a party to celebrate the anniversary of the brewery. Of course, we joined in. Laguna Quicocha is a crater lake at the foot of the Cotacachi volcano. Its name means guinea pig lake in Quechua. We trekked 14 kilometers, reaching an altitude of 3,450 meters. Apparently, you can walk around the lake in 3 hours, but we took 7. After Otavalo, we continued south to Quito, a UNESCO World Heritage City. As we walked up the hill to El Panecillo, we were stopped by the local police who warned us to be careful and watch out for thieves, and then asked to have their photo taken with us. Thanks! In 2002, I came to Ecuador with my old sixth form college on a volunteering expedition. We searched for the school we volunteered at, a test of my memory for sure. We found it! But sadly, it's since been abandoned and the murals painted over. This is the Basilica del Voto Nacional. It's the biggest Neo-Gothic basilica in South America. It remains technically unfinished. Local legend says that when the basilica is completed, the end of the world will come. Next day, we visited the middle of the earth, La Mitad del Mundo. Every year on June 21st, or the summer solstice, you can use GPS technology to verify that the yellow line that crosses the monument is approximately 0 degrees, 0 minutes, and 0 seconds. After Quito, we head to the town, Los Baños de Agua Santa, located just under the Tungurahua stratovolcano, or throat of fire in Quechua. In the local church, we found depictions of many miraculous survival stories. Here they worship and give thanks to La Virgen de Agua Santa. Tungurahua entered into an eruptive phase in October 1999, with frequent activity that lasted until April 2014. After Los Baños, we travelled to Cuenca, a city with a beautiful historic centre and cathedral. We tried on some Panama hats at the Barranco Hat Museum. We didn't stay long in Cuenca, but we did make time to visit the impressive Inga Pirca ruins. This place was originally established by the pre-Incan indigenous people called the Cañari. Later, the Incan Empire expanded, and upon settling differences, the Cañari and Inca lived peacefully together. Here you can see the only elliptical Temple of the Sun in all of South America. There was something very magical about this place, surrounded by rolling green countryside and llamas roaming freely around the site. Even these people thought so.